Good morning, my friends. How you doing? It is Tuesday. It is January 13th. We have one shout out today going out to Anya Goldberg, celebrating birthday number 18. And she's in San Francisco. And she is the granddaughter of our dear friends, Bob and Ann Goldberg. So we want to wish Anya a very happy birthday. Hope it's going good and you're having a great day, kiddo. And happy birthday to you, and a big shout out to the whole family. And for the song today, we're going to go to the MTV era, 1984, and the Cars. And one of their ballads. They didn't do many ballads, but this was a big hit and heavy rotation on MTV. It's called Drive, and it comes from an album called Heartbeat City. And it was the same album that had You Might Think on it. You might think I'm fooling. That one. And just a very pretty ballad from the Cars. Few and far between. So here's the Cars and Drive. Who's gonna tell you when it's too late? Who's gonna tell you things aren't so great? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. Who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna pick you up when you fall? Who's gonna hang it up when you call? Who's gonna pay attention to your dreams? Who's gonna plug their ears when you scream? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. Who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna hold you down when you shake? Who's gonna come around when you break? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. Who's gonna drive you home tonight? Oh, you can't go wrong thinking that nothing's wrong. Oh, who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna drive you home tonight? The Cars and Drive. That's your Tuesday tune. Hope you guys are doing good this week, and we'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Keep on the sunny side. Bye-bye.